I'm Rick Butler. Welcome to sunny California. This is December 6th, 2018, for posterity's sake, knowing when and where we are. I was 10 years ago paralyzed in a car wreck, and my T8 vertebrae was it was called a burst fracture. And when that burst fracture happened, of course, my spinal column, my spinal cord got, my eggs were scrambled, as they say. After about 2 months of recovery and having zero movement for 2 months laying in the hospital, I began to recover. A lot of blessings. That's a whole different story, but I was able to recover. I was only able to partially recover. My right leg was able to come back first, although I had destroyed my knee, and they should have just amputated it, but what they did instead was replace my knee with a full knee replacement. My left side came back only partially, so I was able to only partially be healed, if you would, and so my left side from the hip down to the bottom of my toes is essentially paralyzed. Now I'm standing here in the doorway of my home, and we've never put up a railing on the steps. And so with the steps being brick and now our sidewalk being concrete, as I come to leave, I've got to be very careful. I'm not wearing any Vox technology right now, and this is the normal, everyday walk down the steps to get in the car to go somewhere that I do. I'm going to walk down, you'll see how I walk normally, then I'll walk back up, then we'll stop the film. I'm going to put on the Vox technology, and you're going to see the big difference that I experienced really by accident, because I wasn't even thinking about it. But to be careful, because falling will hurt you more than anything. Usually I hold on to the door jamb here and take a step, sort of get my composure, and then I gingerly go down one at a time. I nearly caught my toe. My left toe doesn't have where I can move my ankle up so my toe drags. So this is my normal gait, and I just sort of drag my left toe, have it turned in pretty much, and drag, walk from the back, and then I'll walk upstairs. So you see I go, basically I have to leave right, left, and then I hold on to the house, the wall, and make it up the rest of the way like so. So without having handrails, that's the way I have to, before Vox technology, walk up. I'm going to turn the camera off, put on the socks, and then show you just by the very first time I put them on how I bebopped out the door. It was cool. Now I'm going to put the socks back on and do the exact same thing I did when I first got them right out of the box. The thing I want you to understand is I am partially paralyzed in my left leg and my right leg. My right knee was destroyed. It's got a full knee replacement in it, and my left leg is partially paralyzed. So the well-being, the balance, the power, just the sense of that homeostasis that the technology does allowed me to go up and down, and I want to show that and share it with you. Technology's got to go along the bottom of the ball of the foot here. Pretty fancy. Make sure I got these on right. Just want to show you exactly what I did and not really leave a stone unturned. So I had just put them on and wasn't even thinking, and concrete, brick, pretty dangerous to walk out, and I just went without even thinking, and bebopped right out, and I go, wait a minute. That was too easy, because usually I'm gonna have step down, hold, be very careful. And I go, well, here's the real test. Walking back up. No railings, no holding on, no stopping, no 1-1, 1-1, just up, 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 up. And every day's been a new discovery of what I get with energy and balance, well-being. Just wanted to show you in person what Vox Technology is doing for me. Thank you.